Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure your SIM is active and you have cellular signal. Voicemail relies on your carrier. Open the phone app now. It's the dialer icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once the app is open, look for the voicemail icon at the bottom or simply press and hold the one key to dial your voicemail number. This directly connects you to the carrier voicemail system so you can access messages. When connected, you may need to enter your voicemail PIN. This secures access and prevents unauthorized listening. After authentication, follow the audio prompts. Press the indicated keys to play, save, or delete messages. Those prompts let you manage each message without guessing. If your Samsung supports visual voicemail, tap the visual voicemail list in the phone app to see message previews and tap to play. This is faster and shows call metadata, making message triage easier and clearer. When you finish, end the call and confirm saved or deleted messages so you don't lose track. If visual voicemail misbehaves, make sure it's enabled in phone app settings and that the app has necessary permissions. Visual voicemail uses data and needs permission to show messages. If you still can't access voicemail, restart the phone to reset network services, and if problems persist, contact your carrier. Voicemail problems are often carrier-side, and they can reset your mailbox quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.